If you were looking for a review on OfferLab, you're in the right place. Today we're going to break down Russell's video. We're going to do a full reaction to it. I saw it for the first time like 3 weeks ago and I haven't watched it since. So it'll be fun to do a little bit of a reaction in live to his presentation, his VSL for OfferLab. Then we'll talk about some of the back end stuff, a lot of what's going on, how I'm going to use it. It'll be a fun video. I do want to mention this. I'm not going to go much into the bonus stack that I have for OfferLab in this video because I'm doing a separate video where I go deep into this. I'll fly through real quick so you can see it, but I'll put it in the link in the description, which will be a link to the full video where I go over this bonus stack and explain why all of it makes sense the way it does. First things first, if you do sign up using the link down in the description, make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. That's how I will send you the bonuses. And anything you ever buy online, feel free to email me at info@jakethornhill.com. I would love to let you know about the bonus pack we already have or create one just for you if we are an affiliate. And that means you paid no more money and we get a commission just by referring you, and we get to give you some awesome bonuses completely for free. Also, if I didn't already mention, for OfferLab specifically, you can sign up for free, and there's a upsell. I think almost all, like maybe the last two, you'll see in a second. Most of our bonuses are literally just for signing up, and then we have a couple extra if you decide to get the upsell. Completely up to you whether you decide to do that or not. So let me run through them, and you can watch the full breakdown in the description down below. The first one's $100K a year with Ghost Pages. I have one VA on my team who is running this system. We had like one strategy session going through it together. I recorded a 30-minute loom breaking down exactly what I have her doing, and she will do 6 figures this year. That bonus is crazy, by the way. To sign up to something for free is nuts that you're getting that. Slide Cash Loophole is a full course that I love going out and buying rights to courses that I can give you guys. The course was expensive, but this is one of those courses that it's compact, but it's very actionable, and it'll help you with traffic. 223 viral posts, 25 AI prompt pack, the lead magnet guide. All of those you'll get just for signing up for OfferLab. You don't even have to make a purchase. If you decide to get the one upsell, and Russell talks about it in the video, the two I'm offering is Jake's top list of best affiliate programs. I'm Jake, just in case you didn't know, and 100 plus digital mockup packs. That is what I love this bonus. It is literally 100 Canva templates that it's already done. You just have to put your picture into it, and then you have mockups. So especially with OfferLab, this is a really, really cool bonus. If you want to learn more about all that, you can find that down in the description. Let's watch his presentation. So a little bit of background here if you're not familiar. We'll watch this presentation and then I'll get into that.
Hey, this is Russell Brunson, and I'm making this video to tell you guys about something really cool we are officially launching, and it's a product you may have heard a little bit. We talked about Funnel Hacking Live this year, but it's a new software company we are launching called OfferLab, and I want you to be part of it. So this video is to tell you about the dates, the times, but also more importantly, what's in it for you, why you should be an affiliate for this, why you gotta lock it out on your calendar, and so you do not miss it. And so that's kind of...
If you're not already familiar with Russell, one of the reasons, regardless of what it is, like when this dude brings something out, and I assume most of you that watch this are familiar with Russell, like he's just been too successful to ignore when he launches something. So that was my first thing of like, even if the product failed, a Russell failure is still really, really successful. And I have a feeling he's going to crush this.
Kind of game plan. So with this video, I'm gonna walk you guys through a couple different things, okay? First off, I wanna talk about launch dates. You can see it's coming up. So August is the very first. We have 3 pre-launch videos coming August 26th, 29th, and the 1st, and then...
Yep, so you see main launches there on September 3rd. Then you've got an in-person affiliate event. You've got your pre-launch.
September 3rd is when the launch actually happens. This is the most important day. This is the day there's a huge webinar happening. It's going to be getting people into OfferLab. And then post that there's going to be a 3-day event here inside of the office at Boise, Idaho. Maybe 3.5 day, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, where potentially want you to actually come hang out with us with the top 100 affiliates in our industry here in office. And then for some of you guys, not everyone, but some of you guys, if you're interested in speaking on either offers or traffic, we can actually have you guys come on stage and actually present to the entire audience and everybody who's going to be here for this launch. So that's kind of the dates and the times I want to make sure you have on your calendar. But first, more importantly, I want to talk about what's in it for you. Like, why should you participate in this launch, okay? And there's a lot of reasons. Number one, this is a brand new software company we're launching. Last software company we launched, you may have heard of it before, it's called ClickFunnels. We paid out over $200 million in commissions in the last decade on ClickFunnels. I think that this will pay out more money to more people than ClickFunnels ever did, which is really, really exciting.
Now, if you were around, ClickFunnels was kind of like peaking or just going over the peak when I started, which was about 2019. if you were around for early ClickFunnels, 200 million to affiliates is crazy. That's why this is like, you have to be involved in this if you're in this world at all. You just have to be, because if it's even half of what ClickFunnels is, being on the front end of it is going to give you so much momentum just to make easy money before everyone starts piling in. It's just one of those opportunities you have to be here.
But even more so, this is something I think is going to unite our entire industry together. And I'll talk about that here in a minute as well, okay? But OfferLab is going to be really exciting. So
he's going to talk about this in a second. How much does it suck that there are like 10 different funnel platforms? Everyone uses their own. So now, like back in the day, you could get share funnels, and I could immediately get, like, no matter what course I bought, I would always get a share funnel and could plug it straight into my ClickFunnels account because everybody used it. And now everyone wants you to use their version of Go High Level. Drives me crazy.
A couple things I'll tell you about. So the first part, OfferLab is free for people to join, okay? If you don't know about OfferLab yet, the way it works is you go into OfferLab and you can go and you can add in your own offers, right? So I could put my books, my courses, my back-end coaching, everything inside OfferLab, right? And then what happens is an affiliate can come in, they can start building any kind of funnel they want. They can say, okay, I want to take Russell Brunson's book, I want to take your Upsell course and your back-end thing, and within 5 seconds they can build an entire funnel, launch it, start driving traffic. And the way it works is that someone comes and they buy product number one, and if it's my book, I'll get paid my commission and the affiliate gets paid their commission, right? Upsell number one, then whoever product that is, it splits and pays that product owner, that offer owner their commission, and the affiliate gets the commission, and it splits. And so what's really cool is you can build out funnels where you have other people's products inside of your funnel.
So you're seeing both sides, right? Whether you're a creator or an affiliate, it's incredibly beneficial. As someone who's both, as a creator, I can put my products on there. And I need to find affiliates. Like, this is very difficult to do if you've never done this. It is very difficult to find people who will promote your thing at scale. So putting it on here allows people to quickly grab your product, and they might not grab your whole funnel, but they will at least grab the individual products from your funnel and add it to their own. For the affiliate, it's really cool because I can grab 4 or 5, 3, 4, 5, however many I want, different products from different people, put them all into one funnel, and now sell. He's going to say this in just a second. One of the biggest things too is it doesn't matter what software you use. It actually can plug all of them together and still allow you to run one funnel.
And everybody gets paid in real time. The money gets split, and it's one of the coolest things on the planet. And so anyway, that's the cool technology behind it. Again, we introduced this to Funnel Hacking Live, and people were going crazy for it. But
call it now, though. It's going to be buggy at first. He'll do a great job fixing it. That's not like a shot at the platform. I've actually already seen, because I've actually been in the program now for, month and a half. And have already seen a lot of the changes they've started implementing, which is why they do it, right? Like, they have people using the platform so they can find the bugs before launch. Then you bring a massive amount of people onto the platform. You'll get a few more bugs and they'll work them out. But there definitely are going to be some. But man, this thing's going to crush. The first few years especially, we'll see. As someone who came in late on ClickFunnels, there was a lot of things that was frustrating that they didn't change. But it doesn't change the beginning, how strong it was.
But we spent some time over the last month or so trying to figure out, like, how do we build a commission structure that makes it exciting for you? All right, now when your customers sign up for OfferLab, it's completely free for them to sign up. Okay, so there's OfferLab, and then there is an upsell, and this is a $500 upsell. But this right here is the big secret, okay? So instead of me trying to re-explain, I'm gonna show you guys the upsell video. It's only about 3 minutes long, but it's gonna explain the income opportunity, why somebody would upgrade to this, and it unlocks a really cool part of the platform. While I was recording it, it was the first time one of the guys on my team was sitting in the audience, or sitting in the room I was recording it, and he visually gasped when I shared the way that the commission structure works. And so I'm hoping you have the exact same thing. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys that video, and I'm gonna come right back, and I'll talk about what's in it for you.
Notice.
So I'm going to build out a timeline of kind of what your journey is probably going to look like, okay? So this is today. This is you, and you're starting on this journey, right? You just created your account, and now our goal for you is how can we get you to make your first $1,000 as quick as humanly possible? Like that's the first goal that we have for you, okay? As soon as you make your first $1,000 on the platform, we consider you what we call a verified user, okay? It means you are verified. Now this is important because this helps us to know that you're someone who's actually using the platform and you kind of figured some things out, okay? As you may or may not know, OfferLab is all about collaborations, right? We're trying to create really cool collaborations between product owners and affiliates and having everybody work together in a really cool way. So after you become verified and you got over $1,000 in sales, what we do is we incentivize you to collaborate, to bring other people with offers and other affiliates into our platform. And the way it works is basically, after you're verified, what we do is, I'll do this a different color here, is we start giving you back 0.5%, 0.5%. Now this 0.5 is for anybody you bring in who has an offer, okay? So what happens is you bring somebody in, they add an offer to the platform, and every time somebody buys that offer, you will get 0.5% of the sale. So if the person you brought in has a $100 offer and they make a sell, you're going to make 50 cents.
0.5 might not sound like much, but that's for the lifetime that you bring them in. So for example, man, gosh, I'd be targeting freaking e-com brands who are doing like $50,000 to $100,000 in revenue every single month. And there are e-com brands that will be using this to build out their funnels with multiple kinds of products. You bring a creator onto the platform and they're processing $50,000 to $100,000 a month, which is really a thing. That sounds crazy. I was doing like 150 on Amazon, even though the margins were only like 15 to 20%. And you're getting 0.5 on all of that. And he's about to tell you how you can get that percentage up.
Every time they make a sell. And that is in perpetuity for forever, right? Now, same thing, every time you bring in an affiliate.
It's crazy to get both.
Right? An affiliate promotes something. Every time they make an affiliate sell, you get paid 0.5%. So if you find a really good affiliate who sells $1,000 a day or $100,000 a day, you get paid really good commissions just for bringing that person into the collaboration here. And so that's our first gift to you as soon as you are verified. So my goal for you is to like get on the platform, sell something as quick as possible, then it unlocks these tiers. Then you can go out there and find people to collab, people to add offers to OfferLab, affiliates to promote offers in OfferLab, and that way we all win together. Okay, so that's kind of the first tier. Now, as you're going down a timeline, the next tier is when you become either what we call a super affiliate, a super promoter, super offer creator, whatever it is. But basically, it's when you come down the line here and you've gotten to the spot where you have done over $100,000 in sales. Okay, and this is what we call. I'm going to call it super, but it could be super affiliate, super creator. It doesn't matter how you make the money, but as soon as you pass $100,000 in sales on our platform, what we really want to do is we want to incentivize you even more. So we take this 0.5 and 0.5% and we increase this up to, you ready for this? 2% for offer owners and 2% for affiliates you bring in. If you get somebody to put their offer on the platform, let's say it's a $100 product, every time that product is sold, you get 2%, right? You get $2. Now, if they sell 10 a day or 20 a day or 1,000 a day of that offer.
So let's say we go back to the example of an e-com brand processing $50K a month and they use the platform for 3, 4, 5, 7 years, however long. You're making $1,000 a month if they're processing $50K. If they're doing $100K, you're processing $2,000 a month, right? Like you bring the right people onto this platform and you are making commissions for life. Let's say 50K is not much. I want to go with the 100, but I'll stay with 50. And times 12, so for 1 year, and they stay for 5 years, you can make $60K just bringing one big client onto the platform. It's crazy.
And you're the one who introduced them to OfferLab, you're getting paid those commissions every single time, right? Or you bring an affiliate in, and that affiliate gets the spot where they're promoting and they're selling $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 a month in sales, you're getting 2% of all that volume, which is kind of insane and kind of crazy, okay? So this is a free gift we're giving you just for when you get to the spot where you pass $100,000 in sales on the platform. This is literally 52% of our platform fees go back to you for bringing people in, okay? So I want you to be aware of that because our entire goal is to build this collab, to get people all working together, selling things together. It's going to change everything, okay? So that's number one. Now, some of you guys are like, this is awesome, Russell, but I want to bring people in today and I don't want to wait for here. Like, is there any upgrades, any way to do that right now? So there's one way we can do this. And the reality is we don't normally do this unless someone's passed a certain threshold because it's kind of like if you get a job out of college, right, and you're going to make, let's say, $60,000 a year versus somebody who is a master's or a doctorate program, they're going to start at $300,000 a year, right? They have a higher skill set, so they get paid more money. Somebody who's gotten this spot where they put over $100,000 to the platform has a higher skill set, therefore they get a higher salary for the work that they're doing, right? So that's kind of how we look at this. But for you, if you're like, I want to jump here because if I'm going to bring people in, I want to get all the commissions right away, that's what we have a special offer for you right now, okay? What it is basically we have an OfferLab certification program that's going to teach you two things. Number one, how to bring people with offers onto the platform. And number two, how to bring affiliates onto the platform. And on top of that, we're also going to teach you how to create your own offers and also teach you how to become an affiliate and drive traffic as well.
So what that's meaning is the $500 upsell. First of all, you're going to get 100% commission on it. So if you bring anybody in and they get the $500 upsell, you make your money back like that. And then everyone else is cash. Then you also have the processing fees. So instead of starting at 0.5 when you hit $1,000, you immediately get 2% on creators and 2% on affiliates the second you start. And on top of that, you also get some training. The training is not the big deal. That is a heck of an upsell.
Okay, so this is one of the coolest training platforms we have to certify you as an OfferLab consultant to be able to do this. But then we're also going to teach you how to actually participate in this, how to drive traffic as an affiliate or a promoter, and how to create your own offers and put them on the platform. Okay, now these courses and certification programs we normally sell for up to $5,000 in other places. But what we're going to do right now, right here, right now, is make a special offer you're not going to get anywhere else. So if you leave this page, this offer disappears, and the only way to get back to this is to become a super affiliate. Okay, but if you want to shortcut that success right now, we have a special offer. We're basically going to buy those courses for about 10% of the cost we normally sell them for. And so after you click the link down below and you upgrade, you'll be bypassed past the first tier, past the second tier. We'll automatically upgrade your commission levels to those levels, and then you have a chance to go through all the certification, the training program, and then you can use OfferLab to the fullest power that it has. All right, welcome back. So you see what's happening, right? The platform fees, when somebody signs up, there's 2% and 2% of the platform fees, right? And so what I want to help you understand is one of the reasons why you would want to be part of OfferLab is you're going to help us to launch this, okay? Number one, we're going to pay you 100%.
And you might be asking, why are they paying 100%? They are trying to get the maximum amount of people on the platform. It makes so much sense to, I want to drive other people to the platform, because if they get the upsell, which is a no-brainer upsell. If they get the upsell, I get paid every single time. You're going to get paid every single time someone gets that upsell, and you're going to get 100% of it. It's so motivating to bring people to the platform when the deal is that good.
Commissions.
Great idea.
On this first $500. So 100% money that you make all goes to you. Number two, everybody that you bring in, you're getting 2% on anything they ever sell on the platform, any offer, and 2%.
And here's the thing. Everyone in the digital marketing space is going to end up on this platform. Who knows who decides to use it, how much, that's in question. Russell is too big of a name and too many people are going to be promoting this, and that offer is too good. Everyone will end up on the platform. A lot of people will get that $500 upsell because it's so easy to make that money back immediately. Just highly recommend getting
percent of anything you sell is an affiliate. So typically, like with ClickFunnels, we built up there's a 3.5%, whatever, merchant fees, and Stripe pays us a kickback. You're getting more than Stripe would pay you back just by promoting this, right? By getting people on the platform. So it's insane. I don't even know how to tell you, like, there's no other platform that shares the merchant fees with you, okay? So you guys get 2% and 2%. So imagine if you go and you promote this and you get 10,000 people to sign up, and from there, whatever, 20% buy this, like, regardless, even if they don't buy this, if they just sign up for free and they start promoting through the platform, you get 2% of everything they sell as an affiliate and 2% of any offer that they sell. Like, it is literally insane. So that's the first reason why we want to promote this, okay? Number two reason, I know that a lot of you guys who this video is going out to, you probably are a competitor to me right now, right? I've got ClickFunnels, maybe you got a white label of some other platform, and that's okay. That's the most powerful thing about OfferLab is that OfferLab doesn't actually, it doesn't actually, it doesn't fulfill the product, right? So what happens is when someone comes into OfferLab and they go in the marketplace, so again, here's OfferLab.
Here, I can explain this part. He's basically just saying, and then we'll cut it off here because he's at the core of it, but he's basically saying whichever software you're using, you can put like a snippet of code, and basically your funnel just gets pulled into OfferLab. So you can post your product in, and your sales page gets brought in as well, regardless of what funnel builder you're using. So the product is awesome. It's going to be great for creators. Like, why would you not have your product here on the platform? And because everyone's products are going to be on the platform, affiliates are going to want to build out their own funnels to, I'm actually very curious. My biggest question, I've said this in a previous video before, one of my biggest questions is, or things I'll be watching for, is who finds offer stacks that are self-liquidating with ads. By that, I mean, who builds out this process, this funnel, where you can run ads to, and in mass, they will break even, and now you're just getting free leads. Because there will be some of those people who really build out really, really good funnels as affiliates. So make sure to use that link down in the description. Once you do, email me at info@jakethornhill.com. I will send over this whole bonus pack to you 100% for free. If you do decide to get the upsell, I'll also throw in my affiliate programs and these digital mockups, which is going to be great for promotions, which is why I made it. And thank you so much for watching. Do make sure to check out the full bonus video in that link in the description. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video very soon.